and Chrissy today on Miss A Made That, and today we have for you two of our newest AWA Studio skincare tool items. Is it too far away? Here. Okay, so what I'm holding is the Rose Gold Scoop, and so what it is it's part of, I know everybody loves this, right? The eye rod. So it's the same little collection for there, but this one is designed to literally scoop out your things because this one is for massaging. So it's the perfect size scoop, and it's like a really, really pretty rose gold color. And so when you, obviously, okay, we have a ton of eye creams, like moisturizers, you know, masks, all these things that are in a jar, and like every time you have to like dip your finger in it, even though your hands are clean, you're still like potentially contaminating this, and it's like messy, it gets under your nails, like we don't like any of that, right? Yeah. So the scoop, it's perfect. So, you know, you just scoop it out with this, and you can like scoop a lot if you need it, or if it was like an ice cream, if it's an eye cream, you can just scoop out like a tiny bit as well, you know? So it's perfect for that. And then from here, you can like move it to the back of your hand. So, you know, like we're keeping this clean all the time, like inside of this. Usually if it's like a moisturizer, I'll like put it, you know, onto here, and then I'll start putting it on my face. If it's an eye cream, you can even like directly just dab it on and then take the eye cream rod and start massaging to depuff and, you know, just get all that circulation going. Yeah. So this, it's the perfect size, and then, you know, just wipe it clean with like a damp towel or like your face towel when you're done, and then it's ready to go for the next use. So this is a must-have.
Yeah, and it's just so cute. It's the perfect size. The little scoop is just so cute.
Yeah, because you kind of think, you're like, okay, do I really need a scoop to like scoop out my stuff? Right. But like if you think about it, like it's good, and keeps your hands clean. Like I said, it keeps your product clean, because if you look, like sometimes there's like little dust particles and things like that end up in there, and like you don't want that.
And even no matter how much you wash your hands, you'll never be able to clean your hands as easily as you can clean a little spatula.
Yeah, so you literally just like wipe it and you're done. Yeah. So we're so excited about this. And then what do you have in your hands?
I have this little lip cream scoop. I love this thing.
Spatula. We call it a spatula.
Lip cream spatula. There we go. So you probably have actually seen this before on a video we did when we launched our jelly jam.
You teased it then.
Yes, and you guys were so curious about this, so we're finally coming out with this. This is the perfect little size to go onto your lips and get the right amount of product, so you're not using too much, you're using just the right amount, and you don't have to worry about getting your hands sticky.
Yes, and the top is made out of silicone, so it's also really easy to clean, and it's like flexible because it's silicone, so it's like really good when you're applying it
and
too.
The shape makes it super easy to get your lips like you need. And again, like the jelly jam and the sugar lips, they're both great products, but they are sticky, so it doesn't feel the best on your hands. So this is just perfect for getting the right amount, and it's just like super satisfying to watch. So like it's just so nice. Yeah. And yeah, you can just scoop it onto your lips, and again, it just like spreads it so evenly, so you don't have to worry about wasting product. It's just
for me, like I have several of these, so I leave one with the jelly jam, I leave one with sugar fix. I just leave one with each product. And like for the jelly jam one, when I use it at night, I literally just scoop it and I put it on my lips.
It also works really well for the coconut lip mask. We do have the applicator on the actual tube, but it also just helps to like really get an even coat whenever you're using the mask.
It's also great for makeup artists too, because it's like it's the perfect size, and you can actually like reuse them instead of throwing them out after you just like, you know, just make sure you clean them and things like that. So I know for makeup artists, they really love
really great,
for that product too. So those are our two newest beauty tool care items.
So excited.
That we
have. Cute.
Yes, they go with, you know, all the other products that you already have. It's just gonna make your life easier, and the products that you have in jars just more, you know, germ-free.
Right.
And it lasts longer too if, you know, you just keep it like germ-free.
And you don't have to use like a Q-tip and throw it away every time you use it. You get to reuse it. So
yeah, exactly. So those are the two ones that we have for you today. Thank you very much.